Okay guys, today we are going to work on plotting points of a function, so please have your notes ready. And let's just say we have something like this. Let's say we have x plus y is equal to 4. So I want you to think about what could be some possible true statements of what x could be and what y could be. Well, what do you think? Write some down. Maybe you said 2 and 2. X could be 2 and Y could be 2. 2, 2. Sure, that would work. What else would work? How about 1, 3? 1, 3. Maybe now some of you are thinking, 3, 1. 3, 1. 3, 1 would work. That would be different than 1, 3. Would 4, 0 work? Certainly. And then, of course, 0, 4 over 0, up 4. Some of you are probably thinking about, we could do a negative number. We could do -1, 5. And now some of you are probably also thinking, then I know that I could also do 5, -1, because I can see that they sort of switch. There's sort of like a flip-flop nature to them. And maybe some of you are thinking craftily. Maybe you're thinking, how about 1 1/2 and 2 1/2? 1 1/2 and 2 1/2. And you know, look at that. Hey, I'm starting to notice that these points have a relationship. And maybe you're like, wait, I want to test. Does 2 1/2, 1 1/2 also work? Over 2 1/2 up. Look at that. And I start to notice that these points seem to line up, right? I could probably have 3 1/2 up 1/2 and up 1 over 1/2 up 3 1/2. And points here and 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 here. And we get this infinite number of points. And maybe someone is like, well, wait a minute, what about over 104 and down, like 100? Yeah, that would work. Over 104 and down 100. Unfortunately, that's not going to fit on our graph, but it certainly does satisfy this equation. It does work in the equation. And so hopefully we're starting to see that these points line up and we could have an infinite number of values that work in this equation. X plus y is equal to 4. And that is all a graph is. If you're wondering what the graph of a function is, write this down. The graph of a function is a picture of all the solutions to the equation. It's a picture of all of the solutions, all of these things here. These all fit in our equation. Those were all solutions to our equation. The graph of a function is a picture of all of the solutions of the equation. And so when we make a graph, what we're doing is we're making a visual representation of all of the solutions of the function. And if you're wondering, there are an infinite number of solutions to this function here, which is just wild to think about.